Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at some good smart home devices. I made this list based on my personal opinion and tons of research, and have listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the smart home devices in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. Once we reach 1,000 likes, we will pick a winner and notify him. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of some good smart home devices on the market right now. Coming at number 8, we've got the ecobee Smart Thermostat. The ecobee Smart Thermostat utilizes room sensors to monitor the temperature in your home. Depending on the size of the living space, you can connect multiple sensors for the best results. The device's smart features include full Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant support via a built-in speaker and microphones. The Smart Thermostat also offers compatibility with Samsung SmartThings, Apple HomeKit, and the IFTTT Home Automation Standard. Coming at number 7, Philips Hue White and Color Ambience Lighting Kit. This lighting kit by Philips supports a whopping 16 million colors, including 50,000 shades of white, allowing users to find the perfect ambience at all times. The set is compatible with Amazon Alexa, the Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, Nest, and all popular home automation programs. The starter kit includes 3 bulbs and a connectivity hub. You can easily purchase additional standalone bulbs and add them to existing lighting setup. Number 6. August Smart Lock Pro Door Lock. The August Smart Lock Pro is compatible with most deadbolts, so it can easily make just about any door an integral part of a connected home setup. We like that the smart home gadget allows you to keep your home keys. A mobile app allows you to manage access to the lock, check its usage history, and receive notifications when someone opens the door. It's impressive that the August Smart Lock Pro is compatible with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and the Google Assistant. This means that you can control it and check the status of your door with voice commands. Coming in at number 5, Sonos Beam Soundbar with Amazon Alexa. The Sonos Beam Soundbar has a beautiful design and excellent audio quality. Like all Sonos products, the Beam is incredibly easy to install. Available in black or white, it can blend in with just about any home decor too. In addition to full Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility, the Sonos Beam has Apple AirPlay 2 support. You can make the Beam soundbar the centerpiece of a new Sonos multi-room audio system or seamlessly integrate it into an existing one. Coming at number 4, TP-Link Casa Smart HS300 Power Strip. The HP Link Casa Smart Connected Power Strip packs 6 individual controlled power outlets, as well as a trio of USB ports for charging smaller gadgets. Like all TP-Link products, the handy gadget is compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Cortana voice commands. It lacks Apple HomeKit support. The nifty gadget will allow you to keep tabs on the energy consumption of the devices it powers. Of course, as expected from a smart power strip, the product has built-in surge protection. Number 3. First Alert One Link Safe and Sound Smoke Plus Carbon Monoxide Alarm. The First Alert One Link Safe and Sound is a smoke and carbon monoxide detector with a built-in high-quality speaker and full Amazon Alexa functionality. The device can alert you via voice and with an 85 decibel alarm while you're at home, as well as send you mobile notifications while you're away if anything happens. The One Link Safe and Sound requires a hardwired installation, which is as straightforward as it gets. All you need to do is download the First Alert mobile app and follow the instructions to get started. Coming in number 2, Arlo Pro 3 Wireless Home Security System. The Arlo Pro 3 is an easy-to-install home security system that's compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. It can alert you when its cameras automatically detect activity and can activate a built-in siren or allow you to contact emergency services if you need to. The Pro 3 setup consists of a base station with a built-in siren and wireless camera modules with 2K HDR image sensor, wide-angle lens, a built-in light, and sturdy magnetic mounts. The weather-resistant camera modules can also last for months between battery charges. You can expand your Arlo setup by adding more of them. Number 1. Roborock S6 Robot Vacuum. The Roborock S6 is a sleek robot vacuum that's compatible with Amazon Alexa voice commands. It has impressive cleaning capabilities that include the ability to vacuum and mop floors, a quiet operation, and top-notch room mapping tech. In addition to Alexa commands, you can also control the S6 via a mobile app. The latter gives you the option to select a room for the vacuum to clean. The robot can clean up to a whopping 3 hours in quiet mode. You can order it in black or white. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for some good smart home devices. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.